Many women wonder, how can I make a man keep chasing me and never take me for granted? The truth is, it's not about tricks or games. It's about the way you value yourself and how you handle the relationship. Let me share some simple but powerful habits that make a man appreciate you, respect you, and always want to hold on to you. Everything starts here. If you want him to treat you well, you must set the standard by respecting yourself. That means you don't allow anyone to talk down to you, ignore you, or play with your feelings. A woman who knows her worth automatically makes a man realize her value. Remember, people treat you the way you allow them to. Sometimes, women think constant attention will make a man love them more, but actually the opposite happens. When you give him space, he feels the difference when you're not around. That absence makes your presence more special. A man will always chase what he fears to lose. Confidence is magnetic. You don't have to look like a movie star. Confidence itself is beauty. When you walk, talk, and carry yourself with belief in who you are, men notice. And don't forget positivity. Men are naturally drawn to women who bring light and peace, not stress and negativity. Confidence plus a good vibe is a combination he can't resist. Of course, caring is important. Everyone wants love and support. But when you give too much, too soon, it looks like desperation. The secret is balance. Care enough to show you value him. But don't overgive to the point where he doesn't need to make an effort. Leave room for him to invest in you too. A woman who has her own hobbies, goals, and passions will always be more attractive than someone who revolves her whole world around a man. Men admire women who are independent because it shows strength. When you keep growing as a person, he chases you, not only for your love, but also for the amazing energy you bring into his life. Boundaries don't push a man away, they actually make him respect you more. If he crosses a line, be clear about it. He realizes you are not someone he can take for granted. Strong boundaries create strong attraction. One mistake many women make is giving away everything too quickly. Their time, their energy, their whole world. But when you keep a little mystery about yourself, he feels excited to learn more about you every day. Curiosity keeps the chase alive. So remember, respect yourself. Give him space. Stay confident. Care with balance. Grow in your own life. Set boundaries and keep a little mystery alive. When you do this, he will never stop chasing you. Not because you're forcing him, but because he truly knows your worth. Now tell me, what do you think matters more in keeping a man interested, confidence or boundaries? Share your thoughts in the comments.